In the bustling aisles of the local supermarket, a fitness enthusiast embarks on an epic quest for muscle growth, armed with a shopping list that's more like a treasure map for gains. This is no ordinary grocery run, it's an anabolic adventure. Our hero's first stop is the protein paradise, where the chicken breasts are lean, the Greek yogurt is thick, and the eggs are packed with all the muscle-repairing ammo you could ask for. But wait, there's a plot twist. The canned tuna has joined the party, offering a budget-friendly protein punch without the heavyweight price tag. Next up, the carbohydrate kingdom beckons with its energy-infusing powers. Oats stand tall like the ancient grains of strength, sweet potatoes glow with the promise of sustained fuel, and brown rice whispers tales of glycogen replenishment. This is no carb crime scene, it's a carefully selected buffet to power those heavy lifts. But what's a hero without their trusty sidekick? Enter healthy fats, the unsung guardians of hormone health and satiety. Avocados flex their creamy texture, almonds crackle with nutrient density, and olive oil glistens with the sheen of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They're not just fats, they're your loyal allies in the battle against blandness. Amidst the clanging of dumbbells and the rustling of protein bar wrappers, our shopper pauses to honor the micronutrient magicians. Spinach unfurls its iron-rich leaves, bell peppers flash their vitamin C signals, and seeds sprinkle their mineral magic. It's a colorful cast of characters, each playing a vital role in the overall health performance. But beware the siren call of misleading food labels, with their empty promises and sneaky serving sizes. Our wise warrior reads each label with the focus of a personal trainer scrutinizing a client's form, seeking truth amidst the marketing mayhem. As the checkout line looms, our fitness enthusiast reviews their haul, a cornucopia of muscle-building mastery that didn't break the bank. With a wink and a nod to fellow shoppers, they share a silent acknowledgement of the gains to come. And as the sunset casts long shadows across the parking lot, our hero sets off into the twilight, their shopping cart a chariot of nutritional victory. But the journey doesn't end here, for the true treasure lies in the knowledge that there's always more to learn, more to lift, and more to eat. So, to all the valiant viewers out there, take this tale to heart and embark on your own anabolic grocery shopping odyssey. And if your appetite for information is as insatiable as your hunger for gains, dive deeper and discover the secrets to fueling your fitness fire. Your muscles, and your taste buds, will thank you.